Okay, this is software update number 8. Let's look at the Talmudi project. It is February 11th, 2020. Okay, we have 4,200 chunks of Talmud. I can search for anything by clicking in this search box here. Let's type a topic like charity. And look, there are 41 topics that have the word charity in it. Charity, 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 charity. 41 chunks. So we have filtered that there are 41 chunks. Excellent. Let's try a character in the Talmud like Joseph. Is Joseph talked about in the Talmud? Yes, we got 20 chunks for Joseph. Joseph, 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 Joseph. Very good. Okay, let's explore verses from the Torah. How many chunks have verses from Genesis? Oh, here's a verse from Genesis. Here's a verse from Genesis. Here's a verse from Genesis. Here's a verse from Genesis, etc. How about verses from Exodus? Here's a verse from Exodus. Here's a verse from Exodus. In the dark gray with white letters, here's a verse from Exodus. And here are other books from the Torah. Let's see verses from the book of Daniel. Here's from a verse from the book of Daniel. Here's another verse from the book of Daniel, etc. These are Torah verses. Now let's look at chunks from particular books of the Talmud. Brachos has 744 chunks from Brachos. How about Tainus? Tainus has 1,167 chunks. Oh wow, lots of chunks. How about Makos? Makos has only 31 chunks. Very good. So we have the search, type things in there. We have the number of chunks that are filtered for your search query. You can search by any book of the Torah or Tanakh. We'll cover every book. We'll say in the Talmud, chunks from different books in the Talmud. And after, let's say you've searched and you got everything from Makos, you can use these buttons after a search to show, add, and toggle. So show and hide each chunk. Show and hide the letter A to Z. Excellent. Show and hide the number 24. Show and hide the volume from the Talmud, the book. And show and hide the page number. There you go. You can also show and hide the titles at the top or the chunks themselves. And then it's just a bunch of titles. Pretty cool. Yeah, so you got these little toggle buttons there. And this is the Talmudi project, and this is the beta version as of February 11th, 2020. And when you're searching something you like, and you want to get rid of the top thing, we got a little toggle button. Click the toggle button and it will remove the top navigation. Click it again and it will come back. And then in particular to the program itself, just to show you some of the tricks, we got question answers. We got juicy titles for every chunk. That's the idea. We got verses popping out. We have keywords in Hebrew popping out, highlighted. What else do we have? What else do we have? And we have a chat box. When someone speaks, it says who they are. So God says, and then what they say. Yeah, that's one of the cool features. Okay, that's all for now. Software update number 8.